ये हमारे पास जनाब हाजी अजमल जमील भट्ट साहब बैठे हुए हैं, नुमान भाई हैं, ये बाबर साहब हैं जनाब ओपन के लिए जा रहे हैं, और दूसरे साहब राशिद साहब हैं, ये हमारे फयाज साहब हैं, और ये पीछे अवैस भट्ट साहब बैठे हुए हैं, अमर भट्ट साहब बैठे हुए हैं, और अवैस साहब सॉरी उधर चले गए अंपायरिंग के फराइज सर अंजाम देने के
बड़ा भौंकदा मुंडा किहड़े मुंडे यार बड़ा बोलदे यार ਉਹਨਾਂ ਭੌਂਕਦੇ ਆ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਨਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਬਾਲਰ ਜੈਕ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਜੇ ਫਿਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਖਲੋਤਾ
कौन
ਪਿਆਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ
अच्छा
ਅੱਛੇ ਬਾਲਰ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ
ਮੈਨੂੰ
18 16
ਬਾਲਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਭਾਜੀ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵੇਂਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਬਸ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹਾਈ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਂਦੇ ਰਹੇ
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੈਠਾ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਸ਼ਕਲ ਖੰਡੇ ਮਨੂਸ ਭੈਣ
ਸਾਡਾ ਹੀ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਂਦਾ
ਇਹਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਭੈਣ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਧਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਗਿਆ ਘਰੋਂ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਿਆ
ਬਾਲਰ ਨੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਿਓ ਜੇ ਸੁਭਾਨ ਬਾਲਰ ਨੇ ਸੁਭਾਨ
ਇਹ ਬਾਟ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਦਮ ਰੱਖੀ ਜੇ ਵਿਕਟ
जिथे मैं पता है तुसी अगे पिछे मैं तो तुहानू पुछया ही सुबह सही है तो क्या सही है
ਸਾਜੂ
ਹੁਣ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ
ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਹੋਣੀ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਬਾਰੇ
ਚੱਲਣਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ
ਅਗਲੇ ਵਾਰ ਵੇਖ ਲਈ
आप ही तुसी कर ली होनी अगे
ਵੱਡੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਕਦਮ ਕਰਦਾ
मैं पूरे 24 को तरीन कदम ला
ਵੱਧ ਪੂਰੇ ਨੇ
24 25 ਹੋਇਆ 24 ਜਾਂ 25
ओए बालर का क्या नाम है
ਸੁਭਾਨ
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व अली मुहम्मद वज्जल फरजहुम अजमईन अल करीम
25 कदम है
Very warm welcome to all of you from the bottom of our heart. As usual, say venue Hashimpura Properties for the good Sialkot. Babar Bhatt has to go back. He has perished himself. He was playing cross the line, therefore he was unable to understand how to play effectively. It's truly a big opportunity for the to chase his target. Wasim Bhatt as a captain, he has to perform and to prove himself that he is deserving for the bat. Bowler
होएगा अरे शुरुआत
Subhan is the bowler, such a sensible bowler, fast and furious.
ये फिरिया बॉल
Wasim Bhatt Sahib is the batter. As a captain, he has to play a very vital role today, otherwise they'll be perished. Once again, Subhan is the bowler, fast and furious. Pranav for the guard. Wasim Bhatt. Good shot, ground shot, that should be a single. He's off the mark.
44 स्कोर सारा
ਮੈਚ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਯਾਰ
मैं पिछे ना टुट बार आवां
ਜੋ ਵੀ ਆ ਮੈਚ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ
मैं ना टुट बार
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਪਟਾ
Hey, get aside.
ਮੈਂ
The new batter is Rashid Saab.
ਪਟਾ ਬਣਵਾਇਆ
There we go. Oh, that should be out. Yes, it is. Oh,
ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ
that's Rolly. He has dropped it. A truly miserable condition for the fielding side. Oye, दुनिया के सारे नंबर अच्छे बच्चे.
हसन
ਆ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾ
यहाँ से साइड पे हो जाना
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
कौन लोग ने यार कहाँ से आ जाते हैं इतने प्यारे लोग.
अपने सारियां दे बच्चे
Oh, Rashid Saab is playing cross the line. Therefore, he was unable to understand how to play effectively.
शाबाश शाबाश राजू साहब समझो मैं आवा
There is such no association between ball and bat. Huge gap is there. The batter is totally under pressure. He was unable to understand how to play effectively. Once again, Subhan is the bowler. Fast and furious. Good shot, ground shot. That should be a single. Rashid Saab is off the mark. The batters
ਸਕੋਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ
have to do something.
ਮੈਂ ਸਕੋਰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਯਾਰ
Every single ball is essential for the batting side. They have to perform.
ਛੁਪਾਇਆ ਬਾਲ वाइट
That should be a wide, huge wide that was. The bowler is looking very aggressive, showing his aggression, showing his skills.
ਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਭੈਣ ਕੰਮ ਵੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ
Once again, Wasim Butt is the
ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਨੂੰ
batter.
ਦੱਸਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸਿਆ 29 ਤੋਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਪੈਲ ਤੇਜ਼ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 29
Much better line, deadly bouncer. That should be a single. The fielder is still over there. There is such no opportunity for the batters to perform. A truly a miserable condition for the batting side.
ਅਵੈਸ ਭਾਈ 4 ਹੋਇਆ
It's a truly unbelievable that whenever you are playing on a cemented wicket, so you are not interested to perform.
ਇਧਰ
You just have to perform and to prove yourself that you are deserving for this place.
ਜੇ ਪਰ ਹਜ਼ਾਰ ਯਾਰ
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੜਾ ਵਾ
The new bowler is Saniba. This younger guy has the guts to do anything whatever the people are expecting. Such a quick bowler, such a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler.
ਮੈਚ
Wasim Butt is the batter. He was playing cross the line, deadly bouncer. That should be a 4.
ਚੋਕਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਭਾਗ
There is such no opportunity for the batters, to hit the ball effectively.
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਆਂਦੀ ਥੋੜਾ
Wasim Butt is showing his aggression as a captain. He has to perform. He has to take the responsibility and to set a good example for their juniors, for his juniors, that he is deserving for this place. Every single ball is essential for the both sides.
बच्चों के हाल
Once again, Sunny is the bowler.
ਮਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਟੇਪ ਹੈ ਜੀ
That should be a wide, huge wide that was.
ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ
ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮੈਚ
ਦੂਜਾ ਮੈਚ ਜੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਦੂਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ
ਦੂਜੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਆ
ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਰਨਾ
44 ਕਿਉਂ ਚ 8 ਹੋਇਆ 8 ਹੋਇਆ
There is such no consistency in batting. The batters are totally, under pressure. They are unable to understand how to play effectively. So the brand of Fatehgarh, Babar Butt, he is doing nothing special today. He was under pressure. We have a very high expectations from Wasim, but very unfortunately that he was unable to do anything. He has perished himself.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੈਟ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੋਲਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਾਬਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ
Batting side has been totally paralyzed. The new batter is Brand of Fatehgarh. AB Brand, Amar Butt.
ਉਹੀ ਤੇ
ਕਿਹਨੇ ਭਾਈ
Here we go. Good shot. Catches the call. Oh, couple of balls over the fence. That should be a 4. Welcome boundary. So the fielders are not interested to take the ball. They are always indulged in, chit chat.
ਸ਼ਾਬਾ ਅਮਰ ਭਾਈ ਸ਼ਾਬਾ
So once again, AB Brand of Fatehgarh. He's on strike. Look at that style. Style is the man. Amar Butt. Ground shot. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 1 run. That's a great rotation.
ਬਾਲ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਾਲ
So little boy has to do us something very special today. Rashid Saab.
ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਨਾ
ਆਪਣਾ ਮਹੱਲਾ
Rashid is the batter. Good shot. Catches the call.
ਡਬਲ
Oh, that's a dolly he has drafted. A truly a miserable condition that the fielders are not interested to take the ball. That should be out.
ਬੈਟ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ
Rashid Saab has perished himself. He has to go back.
ਆਊਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ
ਲੇਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਵਾਉਣ ਦੇ
ਅਹਿਮਦ ਹੈ ਅਹਿਮਦ
तू नहीं खेल रहा?
44 ਸਕੋਰ
Cool हो गई
ਅਸੀਂ ਦੂੰ ਚ 15 ਹਾਰੇ ਕੀਤਾ
ਹਾਂ 15
44 ਜੋ 15
ਭਾਈਜਾਨ score?
ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ
15 runs after 2 overs. Truly a miserable condition. Uchia, that should be a six. Oh, what a catch! Catch of the morning. That should be a six. Hashampura Properties 10 on 10, 6. The first sixer of this innings. Amar Bhai is looking very aggressive. He has decided to take the responsibility and to chase his target. Truly a great entertainer, playing cross the line, playing through the mid-wicket area. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 1 run. That's a great rotation.
ਬਾਹਰ ਲੈ ਢਿੱਲੇ ਬਾਲ ਨੇ
Numan is the batter.
ਬਾਲ
Such a sensible batter. Here we go. Subhan is the bowler. Slow delivery. Oh, what a shot. That should be a six. Yes, it is. Hashampura Properties 10 and 10, 6.
ਬਾਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਤੋਂ
A big man is a dangerous man. He is looking very confident today. He has decided to patch the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. He knows exactly what he is doing. Exactly he is aiming for.
ਭੱਟ ਸਾਹਿਬ
So this, a young boy has the guts to bounce back in each and every kind of a situation. On the other side, Subhan is such a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler. He has the guts to bounce back in each and every kind of a situation. Here we go. Subhan is the bowler. Flicked away. That should be a single. Fielder is still over there. Nicely taken. Without any hesitation. Every single ball is vital for the both sides. They have to perform and to prove themselves that they are the best. Green bag.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕੋਰ ਹੈ
Here we go. AB Brand. Oh. He was playing cross the line. He was a little late.
सही है ये कहाँ से लिया था वो मांगेगा तो नहीं
Once again, Subhan is the bowler, and on the other side, a brand of Fathergard, brand of Sialkot Amarba.
हाँ मुंडे ने लिया था
Back-to-back dots. There is such no association between ball and bat. Huge gap is there. Truly nonsensical attitude.
कोई भी नहीं
The batters are interested to patch the reputation of their team members.
28
Truly a complex situation. 29 runs after 3 overs, I personally feel, but I have to
गाली करना है
consult with
44
the umpire.
हाँ जी
29,
15 रहता जी
29 ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ
15 runs required in a final over. Truly a complex situation for the both sides. One has to win and one has to lose.
शाबाश नुमान
You just have to perform and to prove yourself that you are deserving for the best. Numan Bhai has to take the responsibility. It's a truly a big opportunity for this a young guy to set a good target to set a good example for their senior that he can do everything whatever the team members are expecting. He's truly a great entertainer, such a skillful all-rounder, but the pressure is still continuing for the both sides. Bowler name Bhaijan Dilshad.
ਨਿਸ਼ਾਲ ਘਾੜ ਚ ਲਾਇਆ ਮੂੰਹ ਪਰ
Apne walo Bumrah. Dilshad is the bowler. Here we go. The last ball of this. The last over. Oh, that was very, very close to the wickets.
ਅੱਛਾ ਉਹਦੀ
Dilshad has the guts to deceive the batter.
ਉਹ ਭੈ ਖੰਮੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਖੰਮੇ ਦੇ ਪਾਸ
खंबे दे पास
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ
ਐਸ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੰਮਰੇ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਇਹਦਾ
आहो
Once again, Numan is the batter. 15 runs required in a final over. Here we go. The second ball of this over. That should be a wide, huge wide. That was truly a dramatical situation. The pressure is still continue for the both sides.
दो बोटियां चाहिए बड़ी
Dilshad is under pressure. On the other side, the batter is also looking under pressure. Here we go, the second ball of this over. Numan is the batter. That should be a wide, back-to-back wides. Huge wide that was.
ਗੁੰਮਰਾ ਪਾੜ ਗਿਆ
There is such no opportunity for the batters to perform. The bowler has to focus on the line and length of the ball.
मैं भी लगा तू अहमद लगा है अहमद खेड़दा भी
नुमान भाई फ्री हटी
Here we go, the second ball of this over. Oh,
वाइट वाइट आ
three
गया अरे फ्री
consecutive
हट
wides, back-to-back wides. The bowler is totally helpless. He was unable to understand how to change his line and length. That's the pressure we are talking about.
एक नो मार
Numan is such a great entertainer.
के 12 रह
कहां पे है
गए अधिक बाल हुई
Here we go, the second ball of this over. Good shot. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. That should be a 2. 10 runs requires in a 4 balls. Truly complex situation for the both sides. The drama is still continuing, so get ready to watch. Here we go, the third ball of this over. Perfect Yorker. There is such no association between ball and bat. The batter is totally helpless. He was unable to understand how to play effectively.
आ तीन बाला वे ला
Wasim Bhatt, as a captain, he has decided to to instruct the batters to perform. It's a truly a complex situation for the both sides. AB Brand once again. Numan is the batter. Good shot, catches the call. That should be out.
नहीं होता तो नहीं
Oh, that's
होता
that's a lollipop. He has dropped it.
किनारा 6
एक बाल दो बाल
AB Brand has to take the responsibility. He has to perform. Otherwise, he'll be perished. Truly a miserable condition for the batting side.
ये पे ऐसे ने
लड़के दा ही ओदा जिंदे तीन बाला रह गईਆਂ ਨੇ
दो बाला
ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਬਾਟੋ ਰਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਕਾ ਬਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਬਾਲ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਚੋਕ ਪਿਆ ਉਹ ਜੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਲੰਮਾ ਪਾ ਲਾਂਗਾ ਜੇ
Once again, AB Brand, Amar Bhatt. Oh, that should be a wide. That should be a wide.
नहीं यार भाई आज
Umpire has to finalize. The keeper is demanding for out,
नहीं कोई बात नहीं आई
but there is such no association between ball and bat. Huge gap is there.
एक पता लग जाए एक डबल हो
Once again, Brand of Fatherghat, Brand of Sialkot, he's on strike. AB Brand. Perfect Yorker this time. That should be a single. That should be a 4. Yes, it is. The fielders are not interested to take the ball.
अरे भाई 4 स्कोर है नहीं
The drama is still continue. 4 more runs requires. It's a truly complex situation for the both sides. They have to perform.
वैसे ये अब वैसे वो 9 बच्चा का बाल पैर के जा रहे हैं तो तेरा तो ध्यान को नहीं करेगा
ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਕੋਰ ਹੈ ਗਈ 4
बैठ ਉਹਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਕਿਸਨੇ ਭੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੀ
4 more runs requires in the final ball. AB Brand. A Brand of Fatherghat. AB Brand. Amar Bhatt. Good shot. That should be a
क्या बात
6. Yes, it is. Hashimura Properties 10 and 10 6. Amar Bhatt has decided to punish the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. He is truly a man of honor. He is truly a Brand of Fatherghat.
दो भी बोलता था
वैसे वो तो
Wasim Bhatt has won the match. It's totally unbelievable. The bowlers are totally helpless. They are unable to understand how to manage all this. So get ready to watch the second match of this morning. Allah Hafiz.